Things I wish I knew about money in my 20s instead of my 30s. This is from someone who has now six figures invested, but who was pretty terrible with money. Number one, saving money is not enough. I would keep money in my current account and would be so happy seeing it grow every month. But the truth is, even though my balance was increasing every month due to my monthly salary, it was also losing its value due to inflation. I thought saving money was a very smart thing, but I forgot that growing money is equally important. Number two, not investing earlier. The thing about investing is the earlier you start, the better. Investing is not rocket science. The key is starting earlier, being consistent, and giving it time to grow. It still shocks me that how something so simple can be so powerful. If I had started earlier, my net worth would have been at least 50% higher, which is insane to know as well as sad at the same time. Number three, thinking investing was too complex. And the truth is, in the beginning, investing can feel confusing. Markets are unpredictable and you can never be 100% sure. Even investing platforms can look complicated. The red and green number, the charts, the percentages, everything can look overwhelming. So instead of starting and learning slowly, I kept delaying it. It was only later that I realized that platforms are not there to make things harder for you. In fact, they're there to make things easier for you. For example, in UAE, Binance makes investing simpler. You can deposit dirhams directly from your UAE bank account directly to Binance account, and the deposits are completely free. And even when it comes to withdrawing money, the withdrawal fees just start from dirhams 10. And this matters because a lot of people delay investing because they feel that the process is too complicated. I hope whoever is watching this avoids the same mistakes that I did. And if you like this video, give it a like and a follow for more such content.